Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set. Plug in and you're ready to start vacuuming.